It's now 5:17. You might see a few uninvited guests in your house.
Some are small enough, Tracy, that you can't see them, but you might smell them. Right. Mackenzie Bart joins us now to explain what's happening. Do we need to hold our nose?
You know, the stink bugs, the fall armyworms, those critters that we don't really like this time of year, well, they may be here a little bit longer. With the longer stretches of warmer weather and more frequent destructive storms, entomologists at Ohio State have noticed more invasive insects intruding our yards.
One of the things that is often missed is that there are a lot of other organisms like insects that are also tied to these extreme weather events.
According to the Climate Prediction Center, June through August of this year was one of the hottest on record, tying with the 1936 Dust Bowl. The heat, combined with an increase in climate disasters, has entomologists thinking.
Insects, a once in a 30-year event, but if these odd occurrences of weather and climate continue to happen, things that occur infrequently are happening more frequently. These incidences of insect outbreaks might be also on that same track.
As above average heat becomes the norm, scientists believe it'll invite more invasive insects to our area.
As long as we have those warm temperatures, we're going to have those migratory insects continuing to do damage in our fields.
We have seen that this year with one of the worst outbreaks of fall armyworms. Scientists fear that with the warmer weather, insects from our southern states could settle into the Midwest.
But under certain climate predictions, if Ohio is going to be more like Texas, Oklahoma, those states, we can see an earlier incidence of fall armyworm, and they're going to be with us throughout more of the time, rather than just certain periods where they're able to make it up northwards in Ohio.
Now, Ohio State Extension has been proactive in scouting fields and different yards for new outbreaks of these insects and how the climate is impacting them. So we'll keep updated on their new discoveries there.